Good evening, everyone. My name is Sagar Kumar. Today I am hosting and I want to share some opinion. This time, share some opinion and I will collect some opinion from you. And today you can see digital in market, in every place, every line, not this time are digital, and everything is digital. So this time you can see a study is also become digital in many place and many courses are available on digital platform, and that time people are like and gaining education in that place and learning. What you think? This in future, college and a school people will go or not? So I want to take opinion, sir. Sir, what you think in future people will go college or a school or not?
So, in my point of view, like I think people should go to school and college. Otherwise, I don't think the social engaging we will just like we are here to learn something. So that's why the institute and colleges was created, because there are social engagement is more than the learning, because we are not just learning, we are learning something in a book, but more than apart than book, people are tell us more. So that's why in my point of view, like people should go to school and college in future.
What are you thinking? This time education become very costly, and many of our school you can become business. Many are college also earning more money in market. When what you are thinking? Same course in available in online in very low cost. Then what are you preferring? People will people will buy easily online class and read this time. When what you can, sir, also, sir, I, sir is teacher, and sir, I want to share your opinion, sir. I want to you.
Thank you for choosing me. Student will be wait a minute. Student will be going to institute is not necessary for going to schools and colleges, because when student go to school only complete the syllabus, don't learn the skills about the another subject. And student in future only students are able to go for to school for only for to giving the paper on that subject. Those who learn before those who learn from institutes and various types of coaching, schools in school and college, students are the waste of your time, because they don't learn anything from the colleges and institute. After that, he complete the college, he didn't know anything about the skills, and he didn't know about the he didn't know the knowledge about that subject who completed. That's why students help students go to the institutes and other type of things. They जहाँ पे स्किल्स सीखी जाती है वहाँ पे से ले, और वहाँ पे बस कॉलेज में जाके पेपर को दे के अपना एक सर्टिफिकेट ले ले, पीस ऑफ पेपर ले ले, जाके उसको ये हो जाए कि हाँ ये स्किल्स उसने सीखी हुई है बस.
Sir has share their opinion, and you can see. But what you think? People are engaging like a physical touch, and if you are going college and a school, teacher you understand you, and you if you are in any trouble and you are traveling any question, people are come with you and teach you very well. But in online course you can see it's not easy to explain the any doubt easily, because that was many of school and institutes are recorded class. So what you are thinking? And one member are, we can see one member are going Kainath, Germany for a study. UK. Okay, sorry. So I want to share opinion, Kainath. If you are all courses are available online and you are able to take this class in India, then why are you, then you are will go UK or not?
I think you have misinterpreted the question. The question is, in future, will it be relevant or not? So I will answer according to that. I don't think in future it will be relevant, because nowadays I think with the era of digitalization, people in future will hire their own robot to have the personalized learning for their kids. As well as for the college, I can think of like people will work more on their skills instead of going to the college or wasting their time. So I think there will be no relevancies of the school or colleges in future.
Okay, so we can see we have collect many opinion, and so we are going to end up, and thank you.